Hirap ka bang umangat kahit may income ka? Baka kasi you're living beyond your means. Here's why you should live within your means. First, less stress, more peace. Hindi ka laging kabado sa bills, utang at due dates. May breathing room ang finances mo. Two, you gain control. Kapag hindi mo inuubos ang kita mo, ikaw ang nagdidikta sa pera, hindi pera ang nagdidikta sa'yo. Third, you build savings faster. Mas madali mag-ipon at mag-emergency fund kapag hindi ka overspending. 4. You create space for your future goals. Travels, investment, bahay, mas reachable kapag hindi ka stuck sa lifestyle na mas mahal kaysa income mo. 5. You learn discipline, and discipline is the foundation of every financial breakthrough. Kung gusto mong gumaan ang buhay at mag-level up financially, start living within your means today. Follow me for more money wisdom and money wins.